fam. So today is another challenge. Okay, this time, y'all. Okay, I am doing Kareful egg Nog Chug challenge. Okay. Now, one of them, I'm going to tell y'all probably can see it because y'all be looking at everything. So, one of them almost didn't make it. Okay, so you supposed to drink a half a gallon of eggnog. So, I couldn't find no half a gallon. Look, y'all know what time of the year it is. And I won't finna go try. But anyway, so this is, and you don't edit it. Okay, so, if y'all do the math, 2 quarts equal half a gallon. And you supposed to do it in 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So, alright, so somebody took the liberty. See, they was about to get ready. I know this was my son. He did it. But it ain't gone now. It ain't gone, y'all. I wish y'all can see. Okay? So, Lord, I ain't praying. Y'all help me as I do this challenge. Lord, help me as I do this challenge right here. So, okay, and no editing. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Let me put my little thing over there. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh, yeah. Oh, I know I'm a little rough on the edges. But anyway. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm finna do it. And I like eggnog, y'all. I do. Okay, let's go. I don't know about this. Kareful Keith, you. No, y'all. I'm 2 minutes in. Gotta rest. 2 minutes, 8 seconds. I'm halfway. Oh, God. Oh. Eggnog. I got 1:26. Yeah. I'm close. Ooh, y'all know I ain't scared of no challenge. I love eggnog too. It's good, but oh, and it's a good brand. Y'all. 22 seconds. Oh, Lord, I'm finna go all in on these last 3 seconds. I can't do no more. I can't do no more. Y'all, I was about, I did good to the bottom of almost. I did good. You opened my eggnog, didn't you?
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
I hate eggnog.
Who opened it in? Quit telling the story.
What you talking about?
I'm recording too, and I ain't taking this out. Why you telling that story?
I'm not telling that story. I don't like eggnog.
But y'all, this is Kareful Keith's Nog Chug Challenge. You are supposed to drink a half a gallon. Do your math. 2 quarts equal a half a gallon, okay? So, yeah, it was a epic fail. But I did get to about right here. I did good now. That's a lot of eggnog with me, okay? So, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all comment in the... Okay. Okay. And y'all go over there and check out Kareful Keith's. Because he said he Kareful Keith in this. You know what he say, okay? So, y'all make sure y'all do what? Be